For episode number 5, we are at a lake. This is Lake George. Welcome to episode 5. And I think maybe in this episode, the things we did to the boat this time, maybe put them on the end of the video. Yeah. And here's Mike. He gave me his phone number in case something goes wrong. So we were kicking back to the boat ramp and we ran out of gas. There's a little bit still left in there. But I'm not going to put more in it because the boat ramp is right there. We'll break out the old troll motor. It's feeling a little bit left out. If we look in the bushes, that's the old PVC kayak. I'm going to borrow the seat off of this and put it on the pontoon boat. We really need to get this one back in the water. If you've not seen it yet, I'll leave you a link for it. Wait till the end. And there it is. Maybe we'll stop by the pressure washer on the way to the pontoon boat. I'm going to clean up a little bit with the pressure washer, and I'll probably take that ratty cushion off the back of it. That's next. So I'm out trying to tinker with the boat a little bit, putting a seat on it, and that sky. Storms. Trying to hold up the boat build. I hear thunder rolling, so we may not get the seat on tonight. But I'll do what I can do. I hit it with a pressure washer. I guess those are stains. I'm going to put it on there and see how it looks. Get up there and sit in it. The dog wants to sit in it. So this is where we got last night before the storm got too bad. This board is straight off of the PVC kayak. There were two 2x4s I had to take off the bottom of it, and I reused the screws here. Now we're going to put the seat back on. I got it as close as I can get to the kicker without it touching the kicker, without it touching the handle. Not that big of an improvement, but the seat is all installed. It's ready to go. Be a good spot to sit and fish from. While you're riding, you sit here, your feet go there, you can reach the kicker. And when we were in the Withlacoochee the other day, it was about 3 hours riding, nowhere to lean back. That's the best part to me, somewhere to lean back. So I was just on the way to Tractor Supply. I got a belt, a pulley, and a light for the tractor. And I stopped at a yard sale, found this pole holder and this Bimini top. I want to work on the lawnmower, but this Bimini top's calling my name. Plus, I'm right here in the shade. I have to put the mower on hold. I mean, how long is the Bimini top going to take anyway? Now, this is my first official time installing a real Bimini top. I had a homemade one on my chunky boat, but this is a real one. And I'm thinking right about here. I'm going to use these screws, and these came off of these boards that were in the dumpster. We're going to put 2 in the back, 2 in the front. That's for the straps. And the pole holder, I'm thinking maybe, I was thinking right about here, but with the Bimini top, maybe up there somewhere. And this umbrella will be going away. We'll keep the one umbrella up front, Bimini top in the back. And no, the screws are not long enough to go down into the drums. I'll go over to the other side. And then for the eye bolt, one down, 3 to go. Bimini top update, it's installed, and with it laying down, folded up, you can still open the compartment. One more time. So now let's stand it back up. And we still need to install the pole holder. I don't know where I'm going to put it yet. We'll see. And now to put the top up, shouldn't take more than about, I don't know, a couple seconds. 10 seconds maybe. That'll save umbrella room in the trunk. Get rid of that one rainbow umbrella and just have the red one in front. I like it. Now to the pole holder. On the pole holder, there's not a lot of good places to put it. Back here would be out of the way of the Bimini top. I don't want to put it on the side. When you dock, you couldn't dock on this side with this side of the boat. So if you look in the mirror, I just came home with a pontoon trailer found on Facebook, $200. So step one, when I get home with a trailer after a road trip, especially a new to me trailer, I want to feel the bearings, see if they're hot. Feels just right. And then on this side, feels just right. And got a pair of vice grips. Those are in bad shape. It has LED taillights, not hooked up. I stopped by the store and got a safety chain, a wiring kit. So we're here with the pontoon boat and it's time to switch trailers. It's too heavy to lift. I've got a come-along hook to the garage and the back of the boat is up a couple of inches. The tailgate is off. I think I'll pull forward some, see what happens. All right, pull forward. Slow. Easy. It ain't sliding off. We need a pond. Whoa! Whoa! Ah, he's starting to slide. See if I can shake it a little bit. And so now the boat is fully off the trailer, hanging in suspense. It almost looks like it's back in Fanning Springs, floating on the crystal clear water. But this water is a little more clear here. And I got 2 drums in the front as my jack stands. Need to hurry up and get the other trailer back here. So I'm right here in the Ultima trunk, and I've got a wiring kit. This is for the trailer taillights. That's when you have separate blinkers and taillights, and the trailer uses the blinker and the taillight as the same bulb. I've got my tester, my wire skinners, and my stake-on crimping device. And this I had temporarily. When you use this, I could use my taillights as my brake lights, and my blinker still worked, but this did not have any brake lights other than the taillights being the brake lights. So you're going to take this out and put the right kit in. It's got a converter in there. Let me set the camera down. So the trailer pigtail has been wired up. I've got liquid tape on it. It's been zip tied off. We've got to put this panel back in place, but the trunk mats are over here. They got to go back in. And then all of my boating equipment, life jackets and wetsuits and hats and float and you name it. Even a chair and a tool bag goes in, not the dog. So I just grabbed the spray paint and the stencils, and I've tagged the boat right there. I also did on the barrels on the side. It showed up really good. Here, let me zoom in a little bit. I think I'm going to outline it with a permanent marker. That'll help the looks of it. And there we have it. I look better from a distance. I'll show you the ones on the side too. That's one side, it's back on the back. It looked really good in the lake. And here is the other side. And here is the other side. So in the background you've got the pontoon trailer project. I went ahead and put it back on the car trailer. Didn't have time to get the pontoon trailer ready. What I'm thinking is make another pontoon boat that would fit on that trailer. The nuts and bolts are pretty rusty. If I could make one more bigger that would fit on there, maybe a 4 on each side, a 8-barrel boat instead of a 6. That, or just sell the trailer. And I've got another trailer in the backyard for this one. I'm gonna make some grids on it with some probably 2x4s running this way, 2x4s running that way to hold the barrels. That'll be the next step on this project. When I say the nuts are rusty, I'm talking about these. Those would never come loose. I could just buy 1, 2, that's 6, that'd be 12 U-bolts. These are pretty bad too. If I leave them where they're at, they're plenty strong. Just buy 8 more drums and build another boat. And now we've reached Silver Glen Springs. It is a very pretty blue. There is a gator over there. Swimming towards that guy.
Where's the alligator?
Straight out.
Crud, can we still get in there? You'll see it. Yeah.
No.